Right, do you know roughly how tall you are?
But starting off, I'll just get you looking down to the ground.
डन ये क्या था? ऐसे इंटरव्यूज होते हैं आकाश फॉर कैजुअल जॉब्स? क्या चल रहा है?
ऐसे होते हैं इंटरव्यूज, ठीक है? ऐसे होता है.
Hi guys, welcome back to Aarti Vlogs. Today we are with the part 5 of the series on how to get a job in Australia. Today we're going to talk about how to get a casual job in Australia. Previously we made videos on how to answer an interview, what all things takes place during the interview, how to find a permanent job in Australia, like a proper in your field job. And today right now we're going to talk about casual job. So let's begin.
A casual job or a casual employee is someone who doesn't have a commitment to the employer about how long they're going to work for that organization or the number of days or the number of hours they're going to work for.
So a casual worker doesn't have a guaranteed hours of work. They usually work for irregular hours
And don't get usually paid sick or annual leaves.
So guys, many of the international students, when they come to Australia, they opt for casual work.
Based on their visa conditions. Usually students get around 40 hours per fortnight, which is nothing but 20 hours per week of working hours. This is usually mentioned in the visa condition so that they can do their part-time work as well as studies at the same time.
So this is to ensure every student can manage their studies and work effectively.
Well guys, on the other hand, during the holiday season or during their vacation, you can work unrestricted hours. However, we would recommend you to go and check the visa conditions so that you know exactly how many working hours you are entitled to.
So some of the international students have several jobs.
So this helps them to manage their living expenses over here. Casual job is a good, I would say, savior for not only the international students but also for the new immigrants, because it can give you some good income initially when you start looking for a job here in the Australian market.
And also you can remove the tag of local experience on your profile. Let me tell you, here you get well paid for even casual jobs.
Minimum wages over here in Australia are also quite good compared to the rest of the countries in the world. We are going to discuss about it further in our video, so keep watching the video till the end. Well guys, Australia has one of the lowest unemployment rates, and when it comes to choosing a casual work, you have many options to choose from.
But it all depends on your personal strength, experience and also your interest.
Go for that casual work which is best suited to you in terms of location, your salary and the number of shifts or working hours.
So in retail, you can opt for supermarket, departmental stores or clothing stores.
Under hospitality, you can go for cafes, bars and even restaurants.
So in tourism, you can work in hotels or motels.
Under agriculture, there is farming and fruit picking and so on.
So you have option of sales and telemarketing.
And even administration or clerical roles. In short, we would like to tell you that you have a lot of options and a lot of categories of employment which you can choose from based on your circumstances, your priorities and whatever requirements you have.
Okay, not to forget even beauty world, like go in parlors or grooming side as well as a part-time job. So guys, if you are in India or any other country, in your home country, and if you're planning to come to Australia, you can always come prepared with some skill that you like or you have in you. You can obviously, I'm just giving you an example. If you love beauty and such therapies, treatments or parlor related jobs, you can go and do a course or learn threading, how to do the eyebrows, upper lips and such small things that will definitely help you to get a job, like a casual job here in Australia, because here what they will look is for your skills, and if you have the skills you will get the job.
Definitely, this happens usually in the casual job market. Well, for the guys, you can learn, some maybe cooking skills.
Or even cafe, how to make a coffee,
yes,
barista,
absolutely.
and
Absolutely. These are the jobs which are quite in demand, and we see these jobs being advertised every now and then when we go in the shopping centers or even on websites like Seek, Indeed and so on.
Yeah.
Even in casual job market, it becomes a challenging situation because that local experience again becomes one of the major hurdles. So what we would suggest is not to stop trying. Keep yourself motivated and keep applying for as many jobs as possible. In fact, we would suggest you that you print a resume, 2-page resume, and go physically to give your resume to various maybe shopping centers or various brands which are located in a particular shopping center in your area where you stay. So initially we used to apply for casual jobs only through online job portals, but then we thought that we will print out our resumes and then we'll go physically and hand over our resumes to the various maybe
shop managers, the store managers and
yes, this is one advice we would like to give you is always hand over your physical resume, or always hand over your resume copy
Yeah.
to the store manager and not any other worker, because if you hand it over to them, they may feel that their position may be in
Danger.
their position.
They
may
might
be,
lose the job. Yeah.
You
So
ask
yeah,
for-
make sure that, because when I used to distribute my resume, I used to give it to anyone who might
Initially.
see initially who might see in the store, like the salesperson. Or casual workers,
Yeah.
but don't do that mistake. Just ask them, can I meet the manager? I just
Absolutely.
want to talk to him or
Yeah.
her, and then you introduce yourself to the manager, give your resume. If they say that we accept only online applications, then
but you still give them, you still give the resume.
And apply online, yeah.
Apply online as well. Even over here, you have to be prepared for your interview. So make sure that you are prepared with few of the questions like, tell me about yourself. Why do you want to work here? What do you know about your brand? So do a bit of research before you go and hand over your resume, so that you are prepared, even if they take your interview there and there itself.
So guys, you need to have a local bank account and also have a tax file number. So making an account and having a tax file number is essential to work in Australia, whether it may be casual, part-time, permanent, whichever job you're doing. You should be aware of the employment rights here in Australia.
Make sure that you are paid right wages here in Australia, because some employers may try to exploit you. The national minimum wage currently in Australia is somewhere around $20 per hour, but you can definitely go to the official website and check out the current national minimum wage.
And guys, let me tell you, Australia is one of the countries which pays the highest minimum wages. Before applying or searching for any casual job, you need to have your CV and cover letter ready.
So guys, casual resume is quite different from your main profile resume.
So you guys can watch my video that we have made on how to make a resume and a cover letter for your proper job.
So guys, as far as casual resume is concerned, you can download a template which is available online, edit your information accordingly or as per your skills. I had used Seek.com to download a template, so you can use whichever you feel comfortable with.
So guys, this is one important thing. If you are a permanent resident, make sure that you mention your visa status on your casual job resume.
Mention your visa status in the header itself, just below your name.
So unlike your main job profile resume, over here in this resume, just highlight your job specific skills.
And guys, please don't write unwanted technical jargons in your casual resume. Whatever softwares you must have learned, or whatever technical expertise you may be having, because casual job resume is quite different from your main profile resume.
So for casual job, your resume should be maximum of 2 pages.
You can even mention your hobbies and specific skills, but don't do this much.
So guys, you can also mention your availability on your resume. For example, Monday to Sunday, full time.
Do this at the end of your resume, and this is very important for your employer or whoever you're applying for to know your availability.
Initially, if you don't have a local experience, it is better to mention your full availability on your resume. Tell me about yourself.
Why do you want to work for us, Rishabh?
How will you be a good fit for this job?
What are your strengths or weaknesses?
Will you be able to do any physical work?
Tell me a difficult situation or customer or stakeholder you handled,
Tell me a situation when you had handled multiple priorities.
and so on.
So guys, I got my casual job by going to the shopping center and distributing my resume, and I got one job. Akash got his casual job via Seek. He had applied for a job and he got it.
So guys, what happened was I prepared my casual job resume, then I started applying, and I got a call from one of these supermarket chains here in Australia. Okay guys, one more thing I would like to mention or highlight over here is that I had kept my casual job resume email ID separate compared to my main profile ID, because I wanted to separate both of these profiles. So I got invited for the interview, then I got an email from the manager asking me to select the suitable slot from the available timings. Well, I also got an email from the same manager for my medical examination and police checks. Well, I did my medicals before the interview.
And I have the video clip of that as well. His medical check interview, whatever it was, at 8 o'clock, I guess, 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, early morning.
Yeah.
So yeah, he had to do a couple of movements, exercises. I just put the video here, you can watch it.
Right. Do you know roughly how tall you are?
Yeah, I'm around 178 centimeters.
Okay, so training's pretty straightforward. If we can get you stand up back in and don't start, how that goes. Yeah, perfect.
Alright, if anything does hurt throughout the screening, just shout out, let me know.
Okay.
But starting off, I'll just get you looking down to the ground, then up to the roof, Turn your head over a shoulder.
Very nice.
Have a great day.
See you later.
Yeah.
See you later.
See you. Bye.
डन ये क्या था? ऐसे इंटरव्यूज होते हैं आकाश फॉर कैजुअल जॉब्स. एक्सरसाइज करके दिखाओ, पुशअप्स मार के दिखाओ कि क्या चल रहा है.
ऐसे होते हैं इंटरव्यूज, ठीक है? ऐसे होता है मेडिकल.
This is one of the interview rounds.
Experience.
It was a good experience.
Yeah.
So after that day, then I went for my interview at the given location, and finally I was interviewed. This interview was not that easy. Well, it was a proper interview which was conducted for almost 20 to 30 minutes, and I was asked, all those interview questions which I would have normally been asked during my main profile or main job interview. So some of the casual job interview questions which were asked to me are.
So all jobs don't do this process. There are a few jobs which do this process. That is medical check, police check. Police check happens. Medical check and all usually doesn't happen for all the jobs. This was one unique job that Akash had got, but he did not take it because he got a proper actual job in
At
his
the same time,
field,
yeah.
in his field at the same time.
I was asked questions like, tell me about yourself, tell me what do you know about us, why do you want to work here, where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years, how long will you be with us? Well, as far as this question was concerned about how long will you be with us, she asked me specific time period, and then she asked me, tell me about a time when you handled a difficult situation, customer or a stakeholder.
And this was a casual job, by the way.
And she even asked me, I being from an engineering background, why do I want to work in the retail industry? So guys, make sure that you are prepared for such kind of questions. Finally guys, when your interview is over, make sure to ask at least 1 or 2 questions to the interviewer that will show your interest in the position. We have already discussed this in our previous video, so make sure to check out that video so that you will get an idea what are the various questions you can ask the interviewer. And I got my offer letter within just 2 days after my interview, although she had told me that she will get back to me within 5 business days. I was not expecting that so soon.
She was actually really impressed
Yeah.
by the way how Akash was answering the questions.
Absolutely.
And she even was expecting Akash to join as soon as possible.
Yes.
But it was not possible for him to join because he already
I had another offer.
Full-time job
I had
as well.
another simultaneous work
which is
offer.
working currently.
Yeah. Overall, I would say it was a great experience for me answering this casual job position. So I had to finally inform her that I won't be able to join it.
She
Then,
was very pissed, I guess, because she did not reply back to Akash's
No, she
mail.
didn't reply.
She replied?
Yeah.
You told me she did not reply.
No, she replied.
Later
Maybe she
on.
was busy. I was trying to call her, but then eventually she replied,
What did
and
she
then she
say?
said that it's okay. I really appreciate that, and I understand that.
So guys, as far as my interview was concerned, as I said, I gave my resume distributed here and there in the shopping center itself. My interview took place then and there itself. So the interviewers, they asked me questions like my availability, where do I live, also tell me about yourself, what have you done in the past, and how could you help us in growing our business. So these were some questions that were asked to me, and this is how I got my casual job.
So guys, I guess this was a lot of information and useful information which will be helpful not only to new immigrants but also to many international students as well. So guys, make sure to subscribe to Aarti Vlogs, like the videos, and also share to your contacts.
Guys, please like देना because आप लोग देख रहे हो वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो और लाइक भी नहीं कर रहे हो because I'm getting a lot of views.
Yeah.
And my subscribers are not increasing. So I request you to subscribe to my channel and like every video that you are watching, and also comment down in the comment section what do you feel about this video and what would you love to watch in the future. So till then, bye and see you in the next video.
Under hospitality, you can go for cafe. You can go for cafes. Now don't put this. अपना डालो.
मेरा पे डालूंगी. Don't worry.
Yeah.
For example, Monday to
Monday to Sunday.